Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about plant life, the flower. We have come to know that flower is a special part of a plant, and flowers are also called the bloom and the blossom of a plant. The flower is the reproductive part of a plant. It develops from floral bud present on the stem. It may or may not be attached to the stem by means of long stalk called pedicel. Now today we are going to learn about parts of a flower. Although flowers differ in shape and sizes, the anatomy of a flower is usually the same. It consists of sepals or calyx, petals or corolla, stamen, that is the male reproductive part of a flower, also called as androecium, and carpel, that is the female reproductive part of a plant, also known as gynoecium. So let us deal with them. First, we have the calyx, the green portion, or sepal. Another name for this is sepal. Then we have the corolla, the colored one, or the petals. This one is the sepal. This portion is the sepal or calyx, and this one is corolla or petals. We have the male part known as stamens or androecium. Now in male parts there are more further parts, alright, divided into various parts. We are going to learn this in the next class. And we have this whole portion, that is the gynoecium or pistil or the female reproductive part. Now we are going to learn about two types of flower. One is complete flower and another one is incomplete flower. A complete flower is a plant biological term that is used to describe a flower that is built with four parts, which includes the sepals, the petals, the pistils, and the stamens, which includes all the four parts of a flower. Example will be lilies, rose, and gulmohar, and varieties of flower. Next one we have is incomplete flower. An incomplete flower is a flower when any of the out of any four, one part is missing. Alright, so any part of its part, any part in its natural form is missing. That is, either petals are missing, or sepals are missing, or any of stamens or pistil is missing. Best example would be flowers of pumpkin. There are various examples also: papaya, watermelon, and bittergourd. For today's class, we have come to know about the parts of a flower, that is sepals, petals, stamen, and carpel. We have come to know that calyx has got special name, also known as sepal. We have corolla or petals. The male reproductive part is also known as stamens, or also called as androecium. We have the female part, reproductive part. It is also known as gynoecium. We have also come to know about two types of flower, that is a complete flower and incomplete flower. A complete means where all the four parts which include are built over there. Example, lilies, rose, and gulmohar. An incomplete flower is defined if any of the part, that is either petal is missing or sepal is missing stamen is missing or pistil is missing, all right, in natural form. Example would be flowers are pumpkin, papaya, watermelon, and bitter gourd. So class, this is what we are going to learn for today.